It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Here we go, another Christmas tune. Cool. All right, so I'll do the first half of this on YouTube, and the rest of it's going to be on our website. That'll be good to go. Subscribe, of course, if you think I've earned it. Leave a comment, and here we go. We're going to do the left hand first. Let's get the easy stuff out of the way. All right, so we're gonna start here with 4 and 2. The first bar, half note, 4 and 2, and then a half note on C. We're just doing the notes right now, so don't worry about the rhythm just yet. Moving on, we have a 4 on G again, 1, 5, 1. And those are all staccato. So actually, are they? On paper they are, but I don't like it that way, so I'm not going to teach it that way. I connect them. But at the score I'm looking at, it does say staccato, so you can play staccato or legato and see which one you like and use that. Anyway, so all quarters, 4, 1, 5, 1. Moving on to the next bar, we get 4 by himself, that's for 2 beats. And then a B, second finger, 2 beats again. Moving on, C in the next bar. And then a third finger on G sharp, also a half note. That ought to do it. So now let's count this thing. Left hand first, obviously. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's your left hand. Learn that and then come back for the right hand, which has a pickup. A couple pickup notes here. We have, see, so this chord is actually the beginning of the bar. The 2 notes preceding it, that's kind of a pickup to lead you into the first bar proper. You see? So because of that, that pickup is treated like a mini bar. And because of that, we're going to count from 4, not from 1, from 4. So it'll be 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You see? So 4, 1, 2. But anyway, we're going to deal with the counting in a moment. Let's just have a look at the notes first. Just know that we have a pickup to start. 1 on B, moving to C. Then 3, 4, 3, 2. Then your first finger, 1 on D, 2, 3, 5, and 1 again. So learn just those notes with the right fingering, and we'll do the rhythm in a moment. Moving on to the next bar, we have 5 on B, and another one. Moving to 1 and 4, D sharp and A. 3rd on G, and then an E with your thumb. So take care of all those notes, and here it is with the counting. Now again, I'm going to start the counting from 4 because it is a mini bar that leads us into the first bar proper. So we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And then the 4th beat is a pickup to the next bar. We'll look at that in a moment. All right, so take your time, learn the right hand with the counting. And one thing to notice here was we have a triplet. So for those of you who don't know what that means, it's basically 3 notes that fit inside of one beat. So we start off at the beginning of the piece with a dotted. It's like swung. Like I don't want to count the middle of these beats, like 1 and 2 and 3, because it's kind of like regular eighths, but they're swung. So there's a kind of a jazzy feel. You can be free. You know, you don't have to be exact. But where you do have to be exact is with this triplet. So 4, 1, 2. So you notice that D, E, and D, that's 3 notes, fit into the first beat. 1, 2, and then the C sharp is already on beat 2. So that's a triplet. Evenly spaced, 3 evenly spaced notes. 1, 2. Make sure you don't get 1, 2. A lot of people do that. But you can see they're not even if you do that. It's like fast, fast, slow, slow. No. In a triplet, all 3 of those notes have to be equal. 1, 2. And then we have a little, and the rest is fine. Cool. Putting it together with counting, nice as so. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Oops. 3. Yeah, I forgot that note. But there you have it. All right, so we just finished here, and we're going to keep going now. Yeah. Left hand first. So we are now on the 5th bar. Here we go. 1 and 2. Notes first, rhythm later. 5 on D. Both of those are half notes. That's the 5th bar. Moving on to the 6th. This again, 1 and 2. And then 1 and 3. Again, both of these are half notes. Next bar. This 1 and 3 for the full bar. And then the next bar we got 3/4. So that's 4. And then jumpy little thumbs here. I play both of these notes with a thumb. You can do this if you want. I just see no reason in doing that. Just press both of those with your thumb and it works just fine. With counting now from bar 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's your left. Take your time, learn all of that, and come back for the right hand, which has, again, a pickup. So in the same way that we started the piece off with, right, these first 2 notes are a pickup. Again, we have a pickup here. And notice that actually the rhythm is identical to the beginning of the piece. And then it's the same rhythm. So keep that in mind. There's a lot of recycled rhythms here. So notes first. Here we go. 1, 2. Next bar. 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3. Like that. Moving on to the next bar. 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3. And is that where we'll stop? Nah, let's keep going, Thumb on F. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. It's all bouncy, swung rhythm. Bum, pa-dum, 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 pa-dum. Okay, that ought to do it. Let's count it. Same spot. Here we go. Again, the counting starts on 4. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So take your time. Again, rewatch as necessary. Make sure you have these rhythms down with counting, with fingering, with everything, all the notes. And when you have that, you just put it together. Putting it together at that point shouldn't be too much of an issue. With counting 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And notice that my A is still down as I play those staccatos. Cool. That just about should do the trick. All right, so I think that's enough. I'll finish the rest of it. There's some repetition, as you might imagine, but there is an ending to this. So if you want to finish it off, join me on the website and we'll do it there. All right, subscribe, of course, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Merry Christmas.